I am Deepika and you are watching NIL, the best place to learn English and develop confidence. Most of us face this problem that I know basic English. मुझे basic English तो आती है, लेकिन problem मैं तब face करता हूँ जब मुझे upgrade करना है. How should I upgrade my language? How should I speak effectively? So this is the solution. Phrasal verbs. Now what is this phrasal verbs? होते क्या है? Phrasal verb means when a verb and a preposition combines together and makes a different word. जब एक verb और preposition साथ में combine होते हैं और वो कुछ और ही meaning लेकर आते हैं. So we are going to see few phrasal verbs which will not only improve your language but make your language effective and powerful. So let's see the first one. This is put off. Now put means रखना and off means कुछ भी switch off रखना. But when it comes together, it means to delay or postpone something. कुछ भी delay करना या postpone करने के लिए here we will use put off. Now here we have example. We can't put off the meeting now. अब हम अपनी meeting को put off नहीं कर सकते means delay नहीं कर सकते. So whenever you have to use put off, you will say delay. Now instead of delay or postpone, we will use now put off for the upgraded language. Let's move on to the next one, that is put on. Now in this हमने put off की जगह on कर दिया. Now सिर्फ एक word use करने से meaning has got completely changed. Now put on means to wear something. जब आप कपड़े पहनते हैं, जूते पहनते हैं, कुछ भी पहनने के लिए we use put on. For example, put on the shoes. It's too cold. बहुत ठंड है, जूते पहन लो. और put on your jacket. जैकेट पहन लो, shoes पहन लो. We will simply use put on. So put on we will use here to wear something, especially for clothes, shoes or something else. Moving on to the next one is take off. Take off means to remove, especially something clothes or similar like that. Last one was put on. It was to wear something. जैकेट पहनना, put on. अब उतारने के लिए we can say take off. So take off your jacket. जैकेट उतार लो. Take off your shoes. Shoes उतार लो. Most of the Japanese take their shoes off before entering homes. काफ़ी Japanese जो लोग हैं अपने जूते घरों में घुसने के पहले बाहर उतार के आते हैं. So take off means to remove something, especially clothes, shoes or especially like that. Another one is calm down. When you see somebody who is very excited, बहुत ज़्यादा excited है, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में है और बहुत उदास है, so at that time we can tell them calm down. किसी की excitement को कम करने के लिए, शांत करने के लिए we simply say the word calm down. So for example, calm down and tell me the incident. Calm down and tell me the complete story. So calm down means शांत हो जाओ. Let's move to the next one, that is turn down. Now calm down, turn down है तो दोनों में common down, but the meaning is completely different. Turn down means to reject. Cancel नहीं करना, reject करना, मना करना. For example, she turned down the invitation. उसने invitation को reject कर दिया. I turned down the proposal. मैंने proposal को reject कर दिया. So किसी भी चीज़ को reject करने के लिए we will simply say turn down. Let's see the next one. Come across. Come across means to meet or find someone or something by chance. कुछ भी एकदम से मिल जाना, चाहे वो person है या कोई चीज़ है. For example, I came across with some old pictures. मैं अपने रूम में बैठ के साफ सफाई कर रही थी और वहाँ मुझे अपनी कुछ पुरानी पिक्चर्स मिली. So I came across with some new pictures और I came across with some old pictures. I was going through the market and I came across with my old friend. मैं मार्केट से जा रही थी और मुझे अपना दोस्त मिली. So came across means किसी भी चीज़ से या किसी person से एकदम से मिलना, by chance मिलना. So came across to meet or find someone or something by chance. Let's see the another one, run out. Run out means to finish something. कुछ भी चीज़ जो ख़त्म हो जाती है उसके लिए भी से run out या फिर almost ख़त्म हो चुकी होती है, जो हमने पूरा consume कर लिया होता है. For example, जब हम बोलते हैं मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी ख़त्म हो गई है या मेरे फ़ोन का बैलेंस ख़त्म हो गया है, at that time we say my phone ran out of balance or my phone ran out of battery. Similarly we can say I ran out of the salt in the kitchen. मेरी किचन में नमक ख़त्म हो गया है. तो कुछ भी ख़त्म हो गया है के लिए we simply say run out. So here we are using run out because it is second form past tense. Let's see the another one, And the last phrasal verb for the day is call off. Call off means to cancel something. कोई भी plan cancel करना, trip cancel करना, meeting cancel करना. Instead of saying cancel, we will say call off. For example, the trip was called off due to extreme fog. बहुत ज़्यादा fog होने के कारण trip हमको cancel करनी पड़ी. So here instead of cancel we are using call off. So these are the phrasal verbs which can not only make your language impressive but effective also. Basic English से upgraded English में आने के लिए you can use these phrasal verbs. I hope you like the video and do so. So click the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe the channel.